Good afternoon, children. In the previous class, I completed Basic Geometrical Concept Chapter 8, Brain Teaser up to first main. We completed. Today, we are going to see the remaining questions. Second question, you are given some points here. You are given some points here. Here you see P, R, S, T, M, Q. Name all the sets of collinear points. What is called collinear points? Three or more points lie on the same line. It's called collinear points. Now what we have to do? We have to join and see which are all lie on the same line. Now we can join these three also. So what are the collinear points? Collinear points are P, R, S and Q, S, T. These two sets of points are called collinear points for the second question. Now, we'll move to the third question. In the figure given here, name. They are given the figure. Here some parallel lines. Some lines are intersecting. They are given figure like that. From the figure, we have to find the answer for all these questions. Now, all the pairs of parallel lines. All the pairs of parallel lines. Parallel lines means what? The two lines will not meet anywhere. Here which line is like that? L and M. In the last class I explained how to put the symbol of parallel line. Now L is parallel to M. Next line M is parallel to N. Line M is parallel to N. Then this L is parallel to N. Line L is parallel to N. Isn't it? No. Now the next question, four pairs of intersecting lines. What they are asking? Four pairs of intersecting lines. Here line is L, M, N, P, R, Q. These are lines. Now what all lines are intersecting? We'll see. Line L and Q is intersecting. L and Q. Then L and P is intersecting. L comma P. Then L and R is intersecting. L and R is intersecting. Now we'll take M. M and R. M and R is intersecting. M and P also intersecting. M and P is intersecting. Then M and Q also intersecting. Like that you can find still more. They asked only four pairs of intersecting line. I explained to you 6. You can find still more because N is there. So you can get it more numbers. Now we'll move to the third one. The lines whose point of intersection is A. What is the meaning? The lines whose point of intersection A. In A point, which lines are intersecting? Here which line is meeting here? Line L and line Q. Answer is line L and Q are intersecting in point A. Understand? Now, the lines whose point of intersection is D. Where is D? Here D is there. Which lines are intersecting D? Line R and L. These two lines are intersecting point D. So, answer is line L and R is intersecting in point D. Clear, children? Now, 3 sets of collinear points. The previous question also is like that only. Here we have to write collinear points. What are collinear points? G, A, B, C. G, A, B, C. Then D, E, J, F. D, E, J, F. Why means they are lie on the same line. Then here one more we can write. G, H, I and J. Are you got 3 sets of cornea points, children? Now we'll move to the last question. Point of intersection of lines. That means line P and R, where it is intersecting. Line P is passing here, line R is passing here. In this, which point is intersecting? Tell me, point P and R is intersecting in point J. Point, because this is like line N, this line only. So R and P is intersecting point J. Clear? Line L and P. Point of intersection of line L and P. Here L, here P. This where is intersecting? P is passing here, L is passing here. Which point? Point H. Point H is intersecting. Understand, children? Now we are going to solve the fourth sum. With the help of the figure, find the maximum and the minimum number of points of intersection of 3 lines in a plane. They are asking to draw 3 lines intersecting. Okay. I'll give the name L, M, N. Now these 3 lines are intersecting. They are asking what is the maximum number and the minimum number of points. Here 3 points. Minimum number of points. What's that? Only we can consider as 0 is the minimum points. Because when it's intersecting, maximum how many we are getting? Maximum number of points is equal to A, B, C. Here how many number points you are getting? 3. Minimum we consider as 0. Understand, children? With the help of the figure, find the maximum and minimum number of points of intersection of 3 lines in a plane. That is, minimum number of points is 0. Maximum number is 3. Now listen, children. The next mains, that is 5th and 6th are objective types. I want you people to solve it on your own. You can check your answers and verify from the PDF that I will send. Understand, children? Now we are moving to hearts. First main, with the help of the figure, find the maximum number of points of intersection of 4 lines, 5 lines in a plane. Okay, now I will take 5 lines in a plane. For you, try to draw the figure with the help of 4 lines. Now I will draw 5 lines figure and find the intersection points. In this figure, how many lines are intersecting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I am giving they are asking how many points of intersection. I will give the name A, B, C, D, E. Then F, G, H, I, J. Understand, children? Now, what are the how many intersection of points are there? 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 lines are intersecting. Then this is 11. Here this is 11 point, 12 point, 13, 14, 15 points are there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 points. Isn't it no? 15 line segments. With the help of the figure, find the maximum number of points of intersection of 4 lines and 5 lines. 15 line segments you'll get. How many points you'll get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many points you will get? Intersection points, 10 points you will get. 15 line segment you will get. Now, look at the points of intersection you will get. Now, the second sum in hearts. Look at the figure and answer the questions. Now, see the figure. In that line, there are A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 points are there. That means they make 6 line segments. Now, we are going to answer the question. How many line segments are there in all? I'll write, then you will know that. AB, 1 line segment. BC, 1 line segment. CD, 1 line segment. DE, 1 line segment. EF, 1 line segment. Now, AC, 1 line segment. AD, 1 line segment. AE, 1 line segment. AF, 1 more line segment. Now, already BC is there. Now, BD, 1 line segment. BE, 1 line segment. Then BF, 1 more line segment. Now, CD already is there. CE, 1 line segment. CF, 1 line segment. Then DE is there. DF, 1 line segment. Then EF already is there. So, totally how many are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 line segments are there. How many line segments are there? 15 line segments are there. Clear, children? Now, name all the line segments whose one end point is. E is the end point. What are the line segment you'll get? EA, EB, EC, ED and EF. What are the next one? C is the end point. So, CA, CB, CD, CE and CF. These are the answers for these questions. Now, we are in the last main of this chapter, that is enrichment question. Look at the figure and answer the question. Children, in your textbook, the points are mentioned in the capital letter. They are not mentioned the lines. So, here all the names of the lines I given on my own. According to that, we are going to answer the following questions. Understand, children? Here line M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. These names are not in your textbook. They given only the points, capital letters. But we are writing the letters, small alphabets for the lines. With the help of that, we are going to solve the answers. Now, first question. How many pairs of parallel lines are there? Here, which is parallel line? M is parallel to N. Line M is parallel to N, first one. Then, now, here, these two lines are parallel. That is, line Q is parallel to R. Now, this R is parallel to S. R is parallel to S. Now, Q is parallel to S. Q is parallel to S. But in your textbook, they are considered the capital letters only lines. So, according to that, they answered. Our answer little bit different, but according to the figure, it's correct. Second second question. Name one set of 4 concurrent lines. That means all the 4 lines should pass through the same point. Here, we'll take F as a middle point. Through F, what all lines are passing? See, line N is passing through F, line P is passing, line R is intersecting, and line T also passing through that. So, these 4 lines are called concurrent lines. What are that? Lines N, P, R and T are 4 concurrent lines. Concurrent lines in the figure. Now, name the lines whose point of intersection is A. Here, which line is intersecting A? Here, N and Q. Because this N is passing here, Q is passing here, we got the point A. So, line N and Q. Here, which line is intersecting? Intersection of H, M and R. Lines, this is M and R is answer. Now, name the points of intersection of lines ED and AE. Here, where is ED? ED. This is, name the points of intersection lines ED and AE. AE and ED. Name the points of intersection of lines. Which line is passing? N and S. That is lines N and S. Here AE, this is ED. ED, EA. This is intersecting line N and S. Now, IG and PG. IG and PG is intersecting. Which line is IG? Line M. PG is P. So, lines M and P. Line M and P. Name 2 sets of 3 collinear points. What are the collinear points? 3 or more points lie on the same line. I, H, G is one set. A, F, E is another set. Then here AFD. They are asking name any 2 sets. You can find some more sets and you can complete. Understand, children? Please, all this concept try to understand through the videos and copy down in your CW without fail. This chapter is completed.